Hey, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Kinah, and today I am unboxing a brand new sub. I'm super excited about this. I've been looking for new subs to substitute some old stuff I'm going to be phasing out. And as you saw by the thumbnail, the HoneyBShop, the babe box. We're doing this. So if you're interested in seeing me unbox the January 2022 HoneyBShop babe box, stay tuned. Alright y'all, so I moved the stuff off the desk so we can go through it. I'm really excited about this, y'all. I've been, spending some time looking for new subs to subscribe to, new boxes to subscribe to, trying to get a fresh, take on what's available in the planner community. So here is the envelope that the babe box came in. It did ship in a priority mail, a medium priority flat rate mailer. Y'all know what I'm talking about. And I believe that's a recent change to make sure nothing gets damaged in transit. So that's the envelope that it came in. And then we got 2 journaling cards. Y'all, look at this. Sis Nails is lit, and it says I am worthy. And then you have another skin tone here on the back. I love that she offers that. Let me back up. One of the things that really drew me to this box is because if you don't follow Shannon on Instagram, you don't know what you're missing. So there's no need to even talk about that. But another thing is I like the option of choosing a skin tone. Thank you. That's all I'm going to say about that. The next journaling card is the Lonely Planner Club. Cute. Loving the holographic glitter foil. Y'all. I'm just loving it. I'm just loving the vibe. Okay. Let me move on. We got some sticker die cuts, y'all. Let's get them out of there. Okay, so sticker die cuts. Let's go through them, y'all. Again, skin tone options. Okay, that's it. You got me right there. I mean, I'm not saying that the rest of the box is not lit, because obviously you can see it's a gorgeous box. One of mine's is bent. Okay. But look, do I need to say more? Like, this is lit. Look at that. And y'all, these are clearly vinyl die cuts. They're super soft. Look at this. Look at this. Oh, it's a different one. Okay. Y'all, look at these die cuts. Super cute. So these are the sticker die cuts. Now let's go ahead and put them back in here before I bend up some more, have them looking like that. Next item. Ooh, we got some scripts, y'all. Okay, so we've got self-care. Are these clear? These look like they're clear. They are clear. Clear gloss stickers, self-care. We've got planner session. We've got this week and tasks. And I love that you have the option of the 2 different fonts there. Love that, y'all. So we got 4 sheets, 6, 7, 8, and 9 scripts. Next item, I'm gonna hold that. Let's jump into this washi, y'all. We got 2 rolls of washi, and one of them, baby, looks like an overlay. Okay. So All right, so this first washi has silver foil. We've got some roses, we've got some heart cherries, some lightning bolts. We've got an eye, we've got some of the hollow hearts. I said silver, it's hollow foil, you guys. And then we've got a clear, and I can see that it's perforated. So let's get it open and see what it is. Okay. Nope, that didn't do it. Okay. Oh, y'all, we got date covers, and look at that. It's the old English font. Oh, come on, do the right thing. Let's put it down. And they are perforated, y'all. I love it. Look at this. This is so far the box is functional. We haven't even jumped into the sticker book or any of the other items yet, but so far this box is functional. I love it. All right, so these were the two tapes, washi tapes. Now let me open this real quick because there was a special little item, and I love this. This is, from what I understand, is meant to be like a little washi holder. It has a clear window here. So we've got the zipper. The vegan leather is super soft. It does have the HoneyBShop logo back there. Y'all don't mind my desk. It is filthy. And this is supposed to be able to hold some washi when you travel. So boom, boom. Cute, right? I mean, I'm sure you could put a whole lot of other things in here. We've got a D-ring here on the end, so you can put your favorite keychains. But here's a pouch. Next, let's just go ahead and get into this sticker book. What? No, wait. Pen. Y'all. First of all, I'm always here for ombre. Always. I don't care what it's on. I'm always here for ombre. So we've got silver hardware. It does have the honeybee logo up there on the top. It does have the glitter in the paint. It's ombre with glitter in the paint, y'all. How pretty is that? We've got the roses. We've got the heart cherries. It is black gel ink. And here is our pen for the month. Cute. Now we can get into this sticker book, y'all. If I have not already told you guys, the theme of this box is cherry pie. It's named cherry pie. I totally forgot to mention that. And it does say that back here. This is the January box, and here is the sticker book. It is 10 pages. It might let me in there, but jury's still out on that. Here we go. Alright, let's go through this thing. So you see I Am Worthy up here, y'all. I love this cutout. This is so cute. This is so stinking cute. Alright, so we've got 9 full boxes here. The whole book does have the hollow glitter foil. Trying to catch the light. There it is. Then we have another sheet of full boxes in the skin tones. I told y'all I love that. I really do. We've got washi. We've got some checklists here. Those are habit trackers, Monday through Sunday. Cupid is stupid. We've got some checklists here, some appointment labels, some little boxes. These are cute. And some quarter boxes. Next we have some half boxes, more half boxes, but they're oval, squoval. Some more half boxes, some quarter boxes. Y'all, I love this. This is so pretty. Then we have 2 sets of date covers, some headers this week, next week, self-love, to do, plenty of to-dos, some more headers, and some habit trackers. Y'all, look at these icons. Wait a minute. Are there matte and glossy stickers on the same page? How did you do that? Oh, Jesus. Okay, y'all. The red rows are matte. The pink rows are glossy. I don't know how this was done, what kind of sorcery this is, but I love it. So you have your option. plenty of icons here. And then we've got some water trackers, some meal trackers, money trackers, pay them bills. Then we've got some scripts, pretty much. We've got a whole set, a whole month of date dots, some flags. Is that a planner card? Jesus! Y'all, it's a planner card. It's a planner card. It's cute. It's cute. So then it looks like this is a setup for smaller planners. Definitely set up maybe for a Hobonichi here. And then we go into some deco. So we've got the ladies, I Am Worthy in the different skin tones, Big Booty Judy down here. We've got some florals, and those are that's the 10-sheet sticker book, y'all. Love it. This is cute. Next, we have a notepad, y'all. I think it's a notepad. I wonder if it's sticky note. I think it's just a regular notepad. But let us see. So we've got Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, weekend, and a bit side here over here. So it is a notepad. It's not sticky. Y'all, you could use this for pre-planning. Lots of things you could use it for. But obviously, that's the first thing that came to my brain. So here we have this notepad. And then last but not least, we got a paper pack, y'all. And it's pretty heavy. Y'all, this paper pack is heavy. Let's get it out. Okay. So, are they double-sided? They are double-sided. It does have the hollow foil dots. Do y'all see that? Super cute. Do you get 2 of each sheet? Oh my goodness. That is everything. So, on the back of this sheet, you have the lined grid. Y'all, look at the hollow on this page. That is so stinking cute. And it has the florals on the back. I love it. Yeah, so you don't have to feel bad if you want to use this side and you also want to use this side. You got 2 sheets, okay? And then we have these hearts with the florals and love potion and the phone on the back, the bleeding heart. You got 2 sheets of those. You got vellum, y'all. Vellum with the foil hollow on there with the heart cherries. That is so cute. And then we got acetate, y'all. This is a paper pack, okay? This is, I love this. I love this. Y'all, I'm in love with the HoneyBShop kit. Enough said. I said what I had to say. I'm done with it, okay? This is an amazing kit. So this is the paper pack, y'all. Alright, y'all, so here is my first ever HoneyBShop Babe box titled Cherry Pie. It is the January 2022 box. If you enjoyed this unboxing, please like this video. Let me know down below in the comments what your favorite piece of was in this kit. I can't even talk, y'all. I'm so excited because as soon as I exit this video, I'm about to dig into all of this. So if you enjoyed this video, like, comment, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.